You're wasting hours every single week, and you might not even realize it. But with just the right words typed into ChatGPT, you could get those hours back and build better products while you're at it. What if I told you that you're probably using AI wrong? Today, we're going deep into something that sounds small but changes everything. Writing great AI prompts specifically for product managers. Not just any prompts, but ones that help you work faster, think sharper, and deliver products your customers actually care about. We're not going to just give you a list of prompts and call it a day. We're going to show you how to think like a prompter, break down prompts by the stage of the product lifecycle, and explain why they work so you can stop winging it and start winning with AI. Let's start at the beginning. Writing a good AI prompt isn't about sounding smart. It's about being specific, contextual, and action-oriented. AI is like a junior product manager who's super fast but needs very clear instructions. You wouldn't tell a new PM, hey, just go solve customer needs, right? You'd say, use this framework to evaluate these 5 customer interviews, summarize the pain points, and suggest a top solution. AI is the same. It can do amazing things if you ask it the right way. So how do you write a good AI prompt? Start with these 3 rules. Set the role. Tell the AI who it is. You're not asking a magic 8-ball. You're giving a job. Add context. What's the situation? What's already known? What do you want to happen next? Be specific about the output. Do you want a list? A table? A market analysis? A product requirements document? Let's look at an example. Bad prompt. Give me product ideas. Okay, you'll get stuff like smart fridge and AI toothbrush, but this isn't very helpful. Better prompt. You are a senior product manager at a fintech startup focused on Gen Z. Based on recent trends in digital banking, generate 5 new product feature ideas that could increase daily active users among college students. Format your response as a table with idea name, description, and potential metric impact. See the difference? One's a vague wish, the other is a clear ask. And now the AI is actually helping you solve a real problem. Let's go deeper into the product development lifecycle. We'll start with discovery. This is where you're trying to understand the problem space. You're looking for insights, opportunities, customer pain points. Here's a prompt that can shortcut your research phase. Act as a UX researcher. I'm exploring opportunities for a budgeting app targeted at freelancers. Based on existing public user reviews of budgeting apps, what are 10 recurring pain points users face? Group them by theme and provide example quotes. This helps you simulate user research even before interviews. You can sanity check your assumptions and maybe even refine your interview questions. Or this one. You are a product strategist. Given that many Gen Z users rely on TikTok for money advice, what are 5 unmet financial needs that are not being addressed by traditional banking apps? Now, the AI isn't just giving you answers. It's giving you direction. Once you've got some insights, it's time for definition, deciding what to build. Let's say you're narrowing down your options. Try this. Play the role of a product manager, deciding between 3 features for a Q3 roadmap. Feature A improves retention by adding reminders. Feature B boosts acquisition through a referral program. Feature C cuts churn with personalized onboarding. Create a RI scoring table with rationale and pick the top choice. You just got a second opinion with reasoning. Or, when you're writing a PRD and want to sharpen it fast, you are a senior PM. Improve the clarity and focus of the following PRD section on success metrics. Keep the metrics smart and aligned with business goals. Paste your current draft. That's like having a co-pilot who isn't afraid to challenge your thinking. Now we're moving into design and development. Here's where most PMs feel the grind. Meetings, specs, feedback loops. Try this prompt to make handoffs smoother. You are a technical product manager. Based on the following feature description, generate a user story and acceptance criteria in Gherkin format for the dev team. Or this one. You are a UX writer. Review the following in-app microcopy and suggest clearer, friendlier versions that align with a fun Gen Z tone of voice. This is how you cut through the friction, by turning slow tasks into fast inputs. Let's talk launch. Before anything ships, there's always a scramble. QA, comms, positioning. Here's a lifesaver. You're the PM of a mobile app that helps users split bills with friends. The feature launching is group expense tracking. Create a short release note, a push notification, and an in-app tooltip that explains the new feature. Keep the tone casual and upbeat. It's not just about saving time, It's about keeping everything aligned. And finally, iteration. This is where great PMs set themselves apart by using data, feedback, and real-world outcomes to get better. Try this. You are a data-savvy product manager. Here's a set of metrics after a feature launch. Paste metrics. Identify what's working, what's underperforming, and generate 3 hypotheses for next steps. Or, you are a customer support lead. Summarize 50 recent Zendesk tickets related to our onboarding flow. What are the top 3 user frustrations? And what might we do to reduce them? Suddenly, you're not buried in spreadsheets and transcripts. You're spotting signals and acting on them faster than ever. But prompts don't just save time. They raise your game. Most PMs are drowning in busy work. Roadmaps, decks, docs, pings, status updates. You didn't sign up for this just to become a professional Slack responder. AI, when used right, is your secret weapon. Not to cut corners, but to give you more brain space for the big stuff. The vision, the strategy, the what-if questions that actually lead to breakthrough ideas. You want to be a PM who ships what people love? Then use prompts like these. You're a behavioral psychologist. How would you nudge users to complete onboarding within 24 hours without using monetary incentives? Now you're thinking in systems, not just screens. Or, you're a world-class storyteller. Turn this dry product update into a short, inspiring story that makes users feel excited and empowered. That's how you build emotional connection, not just feature checklists. And don't be afraid to go weird. Some of the best ideas come from unexpected angles. Try. You are Steve Jobs, mentoring me as a PM, building a new app for mindfulness. What would you tell me about focus and simplicity? AI can't replace real mentors, but it can simulate bold thinking. And remember, the goal isn't to sound clever. It's to ask better questions. Because when you ask better questions, AI gives you better answers, and those answers help you deliver better products, faster. Let's wrap it up. The real power of AI isn't the technology. It's how you talk to it. With the right prompts, it's like unlocking a supercharged version of yourself. A version that doesn't get bogged down, burned out, or buried. A version that sees the forest and the trees. A version that has time to think, explore, and lead. So if you've been using ChatGPT just to write emails or summarize meetings, you're missing the real opportunity. Because great product management isn't about more effort, it's about better leverage. And AI? That's the leverage, if you know how to use it. Want to level up even more? Watch this next video. It's packed with real-world examples of how AI is helping PMs go from good to game-changing.